Today I am going to talk about capacitors. Capacitors are passive storage devices used to store electric charge. It consists of two parallel metal plates separated by an insulator called the dielectric. This is the symbol for a capacitor, two equal size parallel lines. This is the diagram for a capacitor. These two are the conductive parallel metal plates and the central is a dielectric. Now I will talk about capacitance. Capacitance is the ability to hold an electric charge by a capacitor. This is the formula for a capacitance. C is equal to Q by V, where C stands for capacitance, Q stands for charge and V stands for voltage. The SI unit of a capacitance is farad. The next is dielectric. Dielectric is an electrical insulator that can be polarized by an applied electric field. There are so many types of dielectrics, but some I have mentioned over here. They are porcelain, mica, glass, plastics, dry air and distilled water. Here is a diagram which tells us about what happened inside the capacitor when we applied electric field across it. Electric field means when we connect the capacitor to a DC source. These are the atoms of dielectric, and when we applied electric field, all the negative charge polarized towards a positive plate and all the positive charge polarized towards negative plate, and this phenomena is known as dipole moment. Types of capacitors. Basically, capacitors are two types, fixed and variable. Fixed capacitors are further categorized into two, polarized and non-polarized. Polarized capacitors in which we can easily identify the poles, whereas in non-polarized capacitor there is no implicit polarity. It can be connected either way in a circuit. This is the example of a polarized capacitor. It is a type of electrolytic capacitor and aluminium legs are here. And as you can see, we can easily identify this is the negative side and negative marking is over there. And on this electrical board, we can see the non-polarized capacitor also. This is a ceramic type non-polarized capacitor. As you can see, we cannot be able to identify which side is negative or positive. There is no any marking on this capacitor. So this is known as non-polarized and this one known as polarized capacitor. Thank you.